Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Your eyes are closed, your physical body is beginning to relax. Your mind is becoming quiet and calm. As you are beginning to go deep into a relaxation which is very comfortable and very soothing. With each and every breath, allow yourself to relax. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out all the stress, all the tension. Taking your awareness to your physical body, just be present with your physical body. Right from the top of your head, all the way down to the tips of your toes. And now just allow yourself to expand your awareness beyond your physical body, connecting with the Mother Earth. Receiving the energy of the earth all the way from the tips of your toes, through every cell of your body. All the way to the top of your head. and out of your head to the universe. Expanding your awareness beyond the earth, beyond the solar system, beyond the galaxy, beyond the universe and the universes, connecting yourself with every molecule of the universe and pulling the energy of the universe like a stream of bright white light coming all the way from the universe to the top of your head and through your crown chakra, slowly and gradually moving through every cell of your body, releasing everywhere you are seeking other people's validation, approvals, appreciation as a proof of your being. From this life or any other lifetime across all time, space, dimensions, and realities, let all of that release. Allowing this bright white light to slowly move through every cell at its own pace and releasing everything that was put into you or done to you or concluded by you that stops you from being all of you because of them, the others. Everywhere you heard your parents saying, "Log kya kahenge?" What will they think of us? What will they say of us? Let all of that release. Everywhere you have lived lifetimes where you tried to do something different and you were hurted, burnt, buried, humiliated, rejected, absconded, everything that was done to you, and everywhere you concluded, I would never do something that does not fit. Just allow all of that to release. Everywhere in your current life you decided you should not do something that others don't confirm of. Everywhere you bought and you succumbed to the lies of conformity, let all of that release. Pleasing. Everywhere you gave up your awareness, your knowing, your magic, your capacity, and you learned or you got the line to trust what others are saying more than trusting your own awareness. Let all of that release. So, what if you are a special being and each one of us is unique? And so are you. And you have your own preferences, your own choices, your own powers, your own potencies. And you don't have to be like everyone else. And what if you don't have to fight for it? You can just choose it and be it and have it. And let this bright white light release all the energy blockages in your body that stops you from being that. Releasing everywhere. You are not choosing to have more money than people around you, as you don't want to be a misfit. Everywhere you're not allowing to have wonderful contributing relationships around you, as then you won't have complaints about relationship like everyone else does. Everywhere you won't allow yourself to have attractive bodies, because then your bodies may attract everything they desire. And how can you prove that you're pathetic like everyone else? And maybe some of you are already out creating that reality. Yet, what are your boundaries? So, what if today you break free from those boundaries, knowingly or unknowingly, that you created or bought as you grew? Let all of those dissolve in this bright white light today. Slowly moving towards the leg, releasing. So, who would you be if no judgment can affect you? How would your life be if, since your childhood, you were taught to just receive judgment with grace? Everything with grace. If you were told when people judge you, they are sending energy to you, and that energy can be converted into anything you desire: money, wealth, happiness. They are sending energy based on what they have. You can receive energy based on what you have. So, what if instead of shrinking and going into your cocoon, you just expand yourself and be the energy of bring it on, world, bring it on. I am ready to play the game of life fully. Moving all the way to the feet and out of the feet to the earth. Let us invoke all the angels, archangels, ascended masters, ancestors, spirit guides, other beings that are there to contribute to you. and receive their divine contribution into your body, into your energy field, into your life, to discover who you truly are, to experience who you truly are, to have clarity about what you are here for. To have wisdom about making the choices on your life path, and courage and strength to take the actions. And just get present to the energy of who would you be once you have, as you have the clarity, the wisdom, the courage, and strength. Allow these energies to totally integrate into each and every cell of your body, filling you up with clarity, with wisdom, with courage and strength. Thanking the angels, thanking all the beings that are contributing, thanking the Mother Earth, thanking the universe, the collective consciousness. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Taking your attention to your physical body, being very present with your physical body. You can move your hands and your feet a little bit. Rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation, journal your experience of the meditation, and if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.